this road is getting hard. I heard you say it's overwhelming. I said I'd never be too far, and I meant that from the heart. I see the mountain getting high, I see it stacking up against you. I always said you were a fighter, but you've got your doubts tonight. Oh, but if you can make it, you can make it through the night. I can promise that the sun is gonna rise. You'll wake up just a little bit stronger, so hold on just a little bit longer. 'Cause it don't matter where you come from, I know we can get through this. It might feel like it's been so long, but we keep on keeping on. It might feel like an uphill climb, always some kind of battle, but you got more than you on your side, and we gon' see the light. We gon' see the light. We gon' see the light. You and me, you and me. We gon' see the light. We gon' see. We gon' see the light. See the light. We gon' see the light. Oh, oh, you and me, yeah, you and me. So go on and lift your hands up to where your help is coming from, and let your burdens let 'em